Meaning of have to.
Have to.
Have to.
Have to.
Have to. The phrase have to is generally used to indicate a necessity or obligation to do something. It expresses the idea that one doesn't have a choice in the matter and that the action being referred to is mandatory. For example, I have to go to work suggests that one cannot choose to skip work because it's necessary to go. The phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, from everyday conversations to formal writing. In essence, have to conveys an imperative, indicating that something simply must be done.